This is Dale Farnham, delivering Unit 2 of 1.3 assessment. Okay, working on demonstrating the safe checking, cleaning, maintenance and storage of tools at Forest School. So I have my 4 tools here. I've got my box here which will be locked away at the end of this once we've cleaned them. Ideally we put them in a locked up place, or I will be taking them home in a locked up shed so that no one has access to them. I've then got my water here for cleaning. We're going to be checking all the equipment for rust, and once we've checked it for rust, we'll then be sharpening some objects and then cleaning them. So first one, I'll be using the sheath knife. I'll be putting it away, and I'll be first of all putting it down, just checking the blade. Is it sturdy enough? It's not coming apart. Just checking there's no good pieces of grass, no anything like that. And then from there, I'm going to sharpen the blade, like so. So you pin it up about this degrees, and we're going to gently push down from the side and forwards. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to the tip. If I do 3 one way, then I need to do 3 the other way. Do it at an angle. Okay. Once I've done that, I'll then get my glove. And from there, I will get my knife, just check, and I gently wipe across. Not touching your blade, there you go, you can see it's nice and clean. Do the same again here, gently wipe the blade. Okay, once I've done that, I'll then be putting it back in its sheath, nice and gently, and then in to my lock up cupboard. So now I'm going to use the bill hook. Again, I use the same process, so I've got it nice and firm, making sure there's no rust, making sure that it's stable and attached. And again, all I'm going to do is we're going to forward the blade. 1, 2, 3, and then I can do it again. And if I do it that way, then I need to do the same again this way. Check the rust, make sure it's not so. Then I'll put it down gently. Get my glove back on. And then give it a little wipe. So I hold it tightly. Again, just going over the blade. Okay, not going too far. And then doing it the other way. Okay. Taking that off and into the cupboard. Now I'll then get my loppers. Again, I'm just putting it apart. I'm checking there's no looseness. So any looseness we're taking it off. Okay, make sure it's all workable. I open it up. Check that there's no grass. And we're only using the sharpening the blade side. We don't use this side here. And from there, 1, 2, 3, turn it over, 1, 2, 3. I can then get my glove again, get a little bit of water. Gently brush my finger across the blade, making sure I do not cut myself at the same time. Cut that. And then I'll gently put them in my cupboard. And then lastly, the bow saw. So the bow saw, okay, we can pull this apart, we gently open it. Okay. Now I'm checking for any rust. This is quite a new bow saw. If I needed to take it off, I'd be unscrewing it here and be able to take it off. I can then check the blades, but when I clean it and wipe it down, again, I'm getting my glove on, and I'm only gently going across the top of the metal frame. So I give it a little tap. Now this is mainly for dry wood, so we say for the Little Ridge Rider Hood it would be dry wood, but then we look at the blade, we've got to be careful when we're rubbing it. We're not getting them blades at our fingers, getting a little there. Then we can do the same on the other side. Okay, nice and gently. Rubbing it across, watching your fingers as you go. Once I've done that, and then place the surface back on. We'll get it on there like this. Clip on. And then I'll place that in here, and then like I say, I'll put it in a lock-up cupboard where no one can have access to it. Yeah, done.